My name is Amanda Owen. I am currently taking this class so that I can finish my associate's degree. I am a paramedic and I've been working full-time EMS for about 11 years now. 3 fun facts about me. My husband is also a paramedic, so we work a pretty different schedule. So we try to spend as much time together as we can whenever we're not on shift. Second fun fact about me. I have a miracle baby. That's what I call her. My daughter's now 3 years old. But she was born at 1 pound 11 ounces at 28 weeks gestation due to severe preeclampsia. And third fun fact about me, I am chairman of the board at the place where I work, and I have held that position for about 5 years now. I'm actually the first female to ever hold and keep that position for any length of time. But those are 3 fun facts about me, and I look forward to getting to know all of you for this class.